Here we are walking on the Squaw Valley Creek Trail. It's just a matter of putting one step in front of the other. Here's the rest of the trail. So many things to look at, it's hard to know what to film. The colors are just popping. Not many reds or oranges, but an explosion of yellow. And the way the trail looks right now, it's these falling on the ground. And just here's some green here. Still hasn't changed. You can see the green there as opposed to the yellow here. And you have the moss here. Once again, these large trees. I mean, look at the size of the bark here. There we go. That's just one layer of bark. Pretty large for a tree. I mean, there's my hiking stick as an example. There's another one. Give you an idea, there's my arm. My fingers. Look at the size of that tree there. Breaking down into the woods. Provide more fertile soil for other life to grow. Here's the creek down here. Filming. Off the trail, only by 25 feet. But I thought it was such a perfect backdrop for this. I mean, this doesn't get any better than this. You use a pitch you a tent, get a little campfire. Look at it, you're surrounded by the woods. I can't tell you how beautiful it looks out here. It's just so totally awesome. I just thought that was very nice. Hasn't been used in a while, but going on down into this creek down here, or this stream. I think it's very nice. Here's another one. This here is another example of the tree decaying into the forest. Here's another tree decaying, returning to the forest whence it came. Look at all this moss. We've had rain here the last couple of days, so it's very nice. There's some splashes of red over there. Interesting reeds here. These are pretty splash of color all through here. Here's some of those reds I'm talking about. Finally, right here where I'm at. It's not a very big snake. It's just a garden variety snake. He's all poised to strike there, but I ain't gonna hurt him. What do you think, Tanya? It might be boo-boos. Yeah, relaxing, huh? Because we was hiking on the trail. So that's the Pacific Crest Trail. That's going north. And that's going south. It's hard to appreciate it right now because can't see much of it, but pretty awesome. I tried to use my high definition, but I don't think it takes the scope of all this in like this camera does. So I didn't have a particular ending in mind, and I don't have audio to go with it, so I'm using this, and I'm going to transition this to an ending. That's why the blue heron is flying away. I like this shot of Sonya, so I use that, because I had no way to end the hike. So this is it. I hope you like it.